Hi, it's Ray Mills, your VBA craftsman. In this brief video, I'm going to walk you through how to use a for next loop. Okay, I've typed in the code to speed us along, and we've started running it. Okay, so but I'll just show you that. To stop code from running, we hit the stopper. To run it, we hit F5 of this. Okay, so it ran down, and we've declared an object as a worksheet. We're going to use the collection of worksheets. So for each sheet, in all the worksheets, we're going to do something. We're going to go through them. So we're going to loop through them. So let's make the active cell value the sheet name. And that's simply going through looping through all the sheets and grabbing the property of the name. And we're done. Boom. Now, through the magic of the clipboard, I want to do a little more, just to show you what you can do with a for next loop. Okay, again, get in there, we start at F1. Oh, let me erase these while we're here, so we can see it's doing the right thing. Okay, so for each sheet mine in worksheet, so let's go. Oops, we need to be here. F8, active sheet, okay. Then it's going to travel to the sheet, and it's going to say, it's going to make cell D20 equal to the value of now. Now is a function that grabs the current date and time. So that it's going to return to the right sheet. And goes on, okay? So now it's going to travel to the 2000, and it's going to set the value of the date there. And there. And there. Now, little trick with Excel, and I'm sure you know this, but just in case you don't, you'll see that this column is too small to accommodate our date value. So we're gonna select all these sheets. We're gonna make them all bigger at the same time. And if we go to any particular one, you'll see, let's go all the way over, 2020, you'll see that they're all big enough now. But at any rate, you'll see that the loop went through. It gave me the name in the 2020 budget. It recorded the name here. It then went and activated each individual sheet in the collection of worksheets. It set the value of D1 to now, which is, like I said, the current date and time. And then it returned to sheet 2020 in time to go down another row, ready to record the next name. So that's your for next loop in a nutshell. Thanks. Please travel to my website, www.excelandvbacraftsman.com. Thanks.